How about if the police officer pulls you over and they want you to open your trunk? They want to look inside, or they want to inspect your vehicles, things that are not just something you can see out through the window. Do you have any
Right.
recommendations?
I do. And here's the biggest thing I want everyone to know is that when it comes to searches, if the officer asks to search your vehicle, you have the right to say no. I had this discussion with a client the other day where he had something he shouldn't have had. He was pulled over for something so simple, and it was speeding. And the officer had a funny feeling that something else was wrong. And he said, "Sir, may I search your vehicle?" And my client goes, "Oh, yeah, I have nothing to hide." Trust me, he had something to hide because he was arrested for possession of it. So the key is don't make their jobs easy. You can be polite and humble and courteous. Please be polite, humble, and courteous because, again, you don't want a cop to get the wrong idea about you because then your night never ends with the officer. And say, "Officer, I'm so sorry. I really don't consent to this search. Do you think something's wrong? I mean, I really don't want to consent to this search." Be humble and courteous, but you don't have to consent. As a defense attorney, we have no argument if you consent to a search and they find something because consent is an exception that the courts allow. And again, if the officer's wearing body camera and you say yes to a search, there it is.